Hi there, cautious and thoughtful viewers. Welcome back to What is Strength, diving into the superpowers of CliftonStrengths. I'm Khanh, ready to explore a theme that embodies careful consideration and risk assessment, deliberative. For those who naturally take a careful approach to decision making, evaluate every potential risk before proceeding, this episode will validate and enhance your strategic nature. Imagine your approach to choices as a methodical examination of all potential risks and benefits. That's the essence of deliberative. This strength involves a serious and careful analysis that enables you to make wise decisions by cautiously evaluating the options before you. Those with the deliberative theme are the risk assessors and careful planners in any group. They bring a level of thoroughness that can prevent missteps and ensure well thought out decisions. Their ability to foresee potential problems and plan against them is invaluable, particularly in high stakes environments. For those who excel in deliberative thinking, here's how you can leverage this cautious approach. Lead risk management initiatives. Take charge of or contribute significantly to projects that require a high degree of risk assessment and mitigation. Consult on safety protocols. Use your skills to enhance safety and efficiency in workplace protocols or community guidelines. Develop contingency plans. Be the go-to person for creating backup plans that ensure projects can proceed smoothly despite unforeseen circumstances. Mentor in decision making. Guide others in the art of careful consideration, teaching them how to weigh options and assess risks effectively. Conduct workshops on planning. Lead sessions that help others understand the importance of detailed planning and strategic foresights. And if deliberative isn't your strongest theme, you can still develop a more cautious approach. For example, participate in planning sessions, engage in activities that require detailed planning to observe and learn from those with strong deliberative skills. Practice risk analysis. Practice risk assessments. Start small by evaluating risk in your personal projects or daily decisions. Seek advice from deliberative thinkers. When facing significant decisions, consult with colleagues or friends who exhibit strong deliberative traits. Do you pride yourself on careful, risk-averse nature, or are you learning to incorporate more deliberation into your decision-making? Share your strategies and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into effectively managing risk and making wise decisions. Today, we've navigated the thoughtful world of deliberative, uncovering the strengths of cautious planning and risk management. But our exploration of CliftonStrengths doesn't end with careful contemplation. Next time, we'll dive into the theme of competition. For those who thrive in a competitive environment, who are motivated by the drive to win and be the best, competition will reveal tactics and strategies to harness your competitive edge effectively. I'm Khanh, and it's been a privilege to discuss the power of careful consideration with you on What is Strength, diving into the superpowers of CliftonStrengths. Remember to subscribe, join the conversation below, and tune in next time as we continue to uncover the strengths that fuel our ambitious and competitive spirit. Until then, keep planning, keep assessing, and let your careful nature guide your path to success.